Righto guys, Colby here from GWorks today. We've got a brand new 2023 BT-50. It's got the best tray and canopy on the market, of course, it's GWorks. We've got our water filler on this side in the headboard. We've got our 1500 canopy and 1700 tray. Colour matched doors to the car for under tray toolboxes and the canopy itself. We've got the light here that'll turn on in a second when I go and turn the auxiliary switch on. You can see how much room we've got in the opening of our under tray toolbox, right? There's a big opening there. We've got our 1400 trundle in the back here. Pulls all the way out, locks out, trundle lid, looks mint, sounds mint, water and dust tight. On the back here, I think, yep, underneath here we've actually got a relocated reverse camera underneath. Again, under tray toolbox, canopy colour-coded doors, fuel filler in the headboard integrated, and the Explorer kit from Energive. So these 4 auxiliary switches, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll see some pretty sick lighting up there. And some pretty sick lighting on the back. That's going to keep you nice and bright in the dark, isn't it? On the back here we also have the 100 amp hour lithium battery. We've also got a DC to DC charger. The DC to DC charger means that as soon as you turn this car on, it's pumping 40 amps from the engine, alternator, from the front of the car to the back of the car. So it's going to charge your car up nice and fast. You can turn the lights off here as well, and the mud guards are adjustable. They've been adjusted out a little bit here because we've got a little bit of an offset. On the top we have our roof rack crossbars. So this person's probably going to be putting a rooftop tent on the top, I would say. It doesn't have a full platform rack, just the 2 crossbars, which are perfect for mounting a roof rack on the top. If you're looking for a tray and canopy like this, contact our team on 1300 503 719 or go to the website www.GWorks.com.au. Fill out the contact form. One of the sales team will be in touch within 24 to 48 hours. Probably be me. Probably. It might be me. Might be Brent, might be Nick, who knows, but you'll find out. See you soon.